Haya, mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ni twacokereria karibu sana thini wa tabarira ya Ngatha Citũ na ndire wiki ndina muruna wakwa haha ni gukorwo akiuga maritwa make no umuthi ndereti no itu tugukorwo tukiarĩrĩria uhoro wa can you still be friends with your ex? Yes. Anyway.
Aya, karibuni sana. Haria kwagĩa tukakaire tukamathako kana that sports girl wa boy wa Njau kwa kwa Muthingi TV. Kurokiranĩria na ithuĩ nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe ciokinyanĩria. Kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook ni Muthingi TV, X, Instagram guothe, YouTube ni Muthingi TV. Haria ningĩ no ũkorwo ũgĩtũrĩra ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe. Na nwakiigua topic niki muthe waiga utuhore
ubi ndirenda munjiri atiriri why do you still have exes lingering?
Kuringana na rere ni kuringana na mundu ucio ri mwahitaniri na ground iriku. If it was messy angĩkorwo mundu ucio ni mwahitanirie kia uru fiu ri ndikuona need ya gukorwo na kiria, but kwina aria mukoraga feelings cianyu ni ciathie kidogo ni cia hana ta ciathira. I don't see any problem ya angĩkorwo feelings ni ciathira ri you can still be friends,
but there are still some exes medaga gukorwo they want to know how you are doing.
Why?
Friendship. They want to know. They want to know how you are doing. Nilikuona sijui uko aje by the way, tunaweza patana. Oh, can we go out this Saturday?
Why are you wanting to do things you didn't do when you were with me?
Exactly.
The moment when you become my ex, please stay on that side. You are my ex.
I think one thing with men sometimes
I got to be them.
Never matimenyaga uria marenda tondu wa riri.
Yeah, sure.
Nawe ri, you didn't show me that love, you didn't show me that concern. You were not into me the way you are into me right now that I'm not with you.
But wiragwo atiriri wiragwo umenyaga yari iria yakua. Yeah, umenyaga yari iria.
Because you are saying I was good, I was there.
There's something a male friend of mine ajirire. The people the moment aradete nawe ri hehede akinyaga agakumenyera and he doesn't see any need of having you. The moment he jumps to the other person,
really?
Oh, Bill hangefanya hivi. Yes.
Really?
Yes, ni mahothagia what they have.
It's really so disappointing that we are in a relationship, we are together yet at some point ni uraigwa
niki ararugania uguo the moment athi kwi mundu ngiri agakora hi ucio na niwe muru biu gukira uyu ngi. Yes, and that's why you'll always see
they come back.
Yeah, you will always see the moment I move on na mundu ngi after some time ni arago text, hey, are you available? Hey, can you do this? Hey, because I karite thi whatever he was hoping from the other one, probably, you know, men love for different, malavaga women in different categories. Hemodo will want a very brown woman.
Aona Wambui akona brown legs,
kona thighs, hemodo gukenio ni shape ya kiongo giake. What do you love about Wambui?
I love kichwa yake. That's pathetic.
Hey, uria gukenio just because of your shape. Hey, uria gukenio, you know, they love for different career. The moment ena weli agafeel agadie da forehead we agagenagio ni
forehead ino ni ndimionire muno.
Yeah, nebire fio ihana forward travelers. Direnda forward travelers riu
reke ngerie haha
riu haha direnda mundu wina brown thighs agakora brown thighs akamuinia gicandi reke ngwire akamuhiuria tambiro ria kadikana hey agakaba forehead
kuria ndaumite kumagwa ni gucoka.
Yes, ugakora, and then men will always come back to you because they feel they can come back to you because nyo ena authority.
You've given them that, you've shown them it's okay.
Yes, arithiaga akaririkana Wambui ona ndamucokerera ukinjira ya
gukariria thiko igire
igacokire. Yes, and they know and they discuss that with their friends. You do that? Yeah, they do. Yes, nera murata wake eno jaribu Wambui eno mfanyie hivi.
Why would a man who wants you, who sees value in you, say that to his friend though?
because men are men, he feels like it's okay.
Niyo ni kuonia rafiki mwenzako mnaweza share Wambo, akikukubali ni sawa.
And that's why you'll always see mukigatigana mwatigana na mundu, if this man used to discuss especially the good things about you, Wambo hata anafanyanga, Wambo huenda, unaona, unapatanga his friends, the moment mwatigana nake, they'll be the one who will be
checking up on you.
Not even checking up on you, maragukatira, that they want you because they want to experience what they have been told. Yes. They want to experience. This is exactly the same woman I want.
The psychology of a man is very complicated, honestly.
But they always complicated.
Why would you want to kujaribu?
But ogegakora, in a relationship, your man, as in your friends, your man's friends, please run. Please run. That man is not saying anything positive about you. He's saying negative. Oh, you're there.
Maroka kugeria kanima. Yes. Wambo anakuanga hivi kweli.
Kile modo muluzi muno. Kile modo muluzi.
Thank you. Okay, reke twambe tugirire hau tondu arire. What makes a man determine a woman is loose, and this one is this one is good. Achana huyu ni kwanza, there's a word they use mugaga ratchet. Tiana kihongoyo. In Kikuyu, sindio? It's kihongoyo. Kioru muno.
Iri to gugitwa mani tamakaniri yoru. I feel like they determine na rere na the greed. Unaona? The greed ya mwiretu, because they are women, you know, everyone dates for a reason. Mtu takana kwenda ati I'm dating yet I love you for hivyo tu, hakuna mtu anakupendanga just like that.
Yeah, there's something. Yes, there's something
they always
so,
yes. So probably they feel like maybe when a woman is asking, most of them determine with the money, with how you're giving yourself to them.
Actually, with even how you present yourself, how you are as a person.
But do you feel like the first appearance ya model is the final one you have?
What do you mean by final one?
You know, there are people who will always tell you, hey, mimi venye nilimmeet mara ya kwanza, huyo hapana.
No, cause you know we all do wa experience kiria nervousness. Ugethi ko meet a new person,
yes.
You are very anxious.
Ukarigo
na tiguo koragwo riria ringi, but because it's a new person, you've never seen them, you are getting to know them for the first time. Ukaiguaga hey.
Yeah, there are people who always judge you. Hithio kiria ya mbere. Ukariganirwa tirire. It takes time. Oguka nigetha warm up he mundu no ta mai. Mai ungihagira kiria-ini ungihagira yes, matigiuhaga o rimwe mambagia ku hit from the makabata. Nigetha magakorwo me relaxed. There's the same thing in a friendship, in relationships. You take time, not even some time. You take time. Nigetha mundu uyu a warm up hariwe. Mundu uyu yoka ku open up. It's someone you have stayed with. It's someone okete guthoma kona.
I feel like mostly hokani relationships ile tashablirie kwambia. Nona nataka friendship uka build ka friendship na mundu kamumenya uria hana uria daga uria ikaraga before you now get to the romantic part of it.
The moment you start with romance before friendship, the moment the romance will come to an end, everything comes to an end. Definitely. The moment romance ikaguthira, you don't have something to fall back. Na kindu gia kugwa.
Ugiate riu ri twihani undu wa friendship, for the sake of our friendship, you can't say that.
When it starts with friendship, hata tukikuja unatoka ni twarwa ri nitugetaga point ya riri, you know where to take it from. You know, you'll tell this person, now before we deal as partners, can we start with friendship? Toka to nigetha tuke tukihote gwika atia we settle on that on a kirene.
Do you feel like nowadays
most people they don't? Because you
normally actually ona makwiraga atiriri, can we be friends with benefits? We on your friendship yao. Friends with
and
benefits.
Then again the relationship people na shotha icire ni mundu akuona town yakwira hey man igua and you be mine na ukaribika na idol na someone
fit unanimalizanga
unanikunywanga no horosi ogarika. But do you feel like men have a hard time? Ebu imagine you being a man wona muiretu ukona muiretu fiu ndungihota kumwariria ngaimani men have a hard time maybe man
no mwega fiu
ona muiretu agukenirie man nginya ndwahota kumwariria men I think men have a hard time
mwere how archives kana go streets ni shatauri ukihugura uri edema na kafiti ugithiathia ai mwingine sasa na kafiti zaidi
arumeni matukanagirwo
ona ni mageragia
imagine gusetwa na mundu mwe ogacoka muiretu kiria fiu mawendaga
nikia nakio
na hindi wena
mtu wako ako home
hapa na ushata propose ukarigo kama nikate
should I go back
but when in a relationship can you still talk to your ex when in a relationship, especially if you need closure?
No, I don't think you should.
What if you need the closure?
No, what for?
Yeah, I need to understand like this one ilimalizika. Yezi
lune closure yake na mundu uyu ni agikwiriria atiriri we are
yoko ndakwirire.
Silence twiragwo bado ni part ya
it's communication.
Yeah. Ni mtu akinyamaza tunyamaze bana. Tunyamaza ni sawa tunyamaze. Because you see most people maheanaga chances that are not worth it in career ya closure, tene closure maretha.
But I feel most of the
sometimes you don't need that closure. Move on. He doesn't deserve you.
But I feel sometimes the relationship to they don't even tell you that they left you. Ukanotice gira eji. Akadol wana kora profile man. Guy. Hey, when I tell you men will live in a desert without water.
Ekobra kwa ge type pa.
Guy.
Mtu anakublock ukiandika paragraph pale WhatsApp.
My friend name mahitanirie utuku ede uta mothe makahitania utuku mothe Roshi agiokira the man had a profile, WhatsApp profile ya nails. Mtu yangu my friend doesn't have,
she doesn't put on nails.
Ai akaligagwo ama nilieka kucha na
nikapiga picha nikamtumia
nikasahau. Wikaikara WhatsApp status mwiretu aranyita manyitanete sasa boy amanyitana mwana kilo unaona etagwo do eno video yago ihenya ugo etagwo do boomerang something of the sort. Ai akaligagwo mimi hata hatujaipiga picha na wewe mkono. Wikaikara abro kirwo wikaikara Instagram bise postiro hede mwana kyo gete atem looks like we made it. After how many years, man? 2 years.
What?
Yes, after 2 years.
So how did your friend handle that?
Sasa how did you handle that? You cry, then you move on. But it took her time. Told the guy she got unwell because you are trying to come around. What did I do? What did I say? Exactly. Then the worst thing was that the family knew his sister yake. The sister used to tell her, okay, no ele mwangania ni akahikania. So what are you trying to tell the other person?
You see, one thing with men, kama hawakutaki, they will communicate.
Yeah, and it will be so loud. But for us women, the moment we fall in love, I don't know what happens to
in a relationship. Lazima mmoja akue stupid.
Donne mimi kiuga atiriri ati riu ni hakiri ati ngoro ekera hakiri atiriri mimi nimependa mtu hakiri akauga atiriri hakiri sikauga atiriri mimi hapa ndo nashuka
igakoma.
Because one of you have to be stupid. Wede kana dwede. Na the moment you know
the moment you take gukorwo the wise one in a relationship it won't even work.
Unaona hata ukilan ate ugete from the other one I was hurt and I learned this. The moment you get in another one
you will have to learn again.
You will have to be stupid.
No thome ori ndukaga kindu kirwo guthoma kwi relationship.
My friend got unwell to a point that she was even manipulating. She was not manipulating. She was thinking of suicide. Because how comes after 2 years you replacing me with one night? How comes the things that Dore Tetorwe Tena Shiore are the things I used to tell you to do for me are the things you're doing for the other person?
So easy.
And then the worst thing is that men have a type.
Yeah.
Nona mwire to the girl that ali placed nake. kai mani unaangalia msichana uko zile eyebrow ama ni wewe umenona, because this one was a bit thick. My friend was ukarigo, but uso features zote wanafanana. Men have a type.
Wow. What do you men want? Nikorigwo ni kimenda Newton mnatakanga nini?
They'll always when a man wants you, he knows what he wants from you.
It's so sad that
and it's the worst thing is that
they don't communicate directly.
They don't tell you what they want.
They won't tell you, ambo, I want this and this.
Meka weruge, meda weruge, okiremwone. But me, the worst thing a man can do is a man trying to test me if I can be a wife material. Aki mimi utaniacha tu asubuhi mapema.
They test women.
Kaire tukaraga thia gakaruga, kaire tukaraga thia kahora nguo, kaire tukaraga thia gagakeka ni ukondiga kwero cine tene.
Do those things count? Is of it was in account? Like,
they
do I have to know all that
no,
for
they
you
do.
To marry me?
They always matigakwira ati ni mararora. They never told you that they are looking for it.
Yageko ne enjoy cleaning more than I know how to cook.
No, you know that one is kwa jorathi kohora ngwez who? Are you in his insurance? No, Kori, are you in his kwa sha yake?
Digatiruke bafu
uneke mugongo agutige utiroke mugongo uneke agutige why ebu do what you are doing. Maybe if you are a girlfriend, be a girlfriend. If I'm a wife, let me be a wife. Otherwise neto tie mix
maundu maingi ati I'm cooking for you and you're still dating me. Ona ginya ndoi kwao niku ndoi ginya gicagi uria kia ndoi kwao niku ona count ndoi
ona ritwa riake ria keri ndu uramenya he na nyo thire kuruga otinio kuna kahiu wewe nke mboja ni we.
Have you ever experienced like ora date mundu niguo now you are the current girlfriend and then a crazy ex ex yokaga ginya nyumba gukuhurira ku uachane na mtu wake na and now your boyfriend the man insists they have nothing ni matiganire gutiri undu makoragwo naguo nake.
That's why that's why gukwiraga atiriri insist about closure. Because some men will just keep quiet weshirie. Sasa that's why of course mutumia mwire tudagioka ati weshirie ati you still my person if she was told that it is not working. It's because they had a closure yagirire gukorwo nayo. If you give me the closure of one boy we had something and I respect what we had but now it's not working.
Wait, let me ask you.
Okay.
We've been dating for close to 1 year, 2 years. Netwatigana. Netwakiranira for like 2 months. You in your right mind of koge shiria no gukiragirete desawa. I'm fine, I'm doing okay. Waboi dare kia gukirare. Nitakuja to continue na hiyo relationship.
Atirere, the moment you get to 1 year ama 2 years, it means both of us are comfortable in it. Nego. So the moment wakirare, I sometimes you'll feel like probably he needed his space. Yeah, you'll feel like
so ukinyamaziwa 2 months na mtu na mmekuwa na yeye for 1 to 2 years ne space arenda wabo na darakwira
he needs his space
na darakwira
he needs
bless you
he needs his space.
Sawa, well and good.
The moment wakorwo ni watiga mundu ri you are we mundu mugima na tutitoginya hati handu handikitwo no ginya tutiga tukorwo na kinuthia hati handu handikitwo ati no ginya tu end up na ngania. If we kabisa no wakinya handu you feel like this is not working, you can force it to work. But and there's no way you'll make it work. If it's not working, it's not working. Just sit me down, Mambo, we had this thing and me I asked you work on this thing and you didn't work on it. I'm not comfortable being with you this way. So for me I feel like I won't tolerate this and it's time I let it go.
I think we understand closure differently because there are people who understand closure now going forward, henceforth, me and you
cannot be in a relationship.
and then kuri andu mendaga closure ya ujire niki why can't we unaona.
But I think that's necessary so that I can work on myself. How am I supposed to work on myself?
There
if you
are
don't tell
people
me?
who will leave you na matigokwira if you are the problem
Can
or
we
not.
Can we grow up? We are uri andu agima nduka onjire atire ni wambuye uri araikaraga ri ni ndikenaga uguo ni uri urerekera irie ri ni kwanja uri waragia.
We are human kwe mundu go feel like takwira what the cause of the relationship ending ni ukuigwa uru ka ni ukumtake in a wrong way.
Then why we in a relationship if we are not grown up? No, you know, maudo, you see some things that friendship, especially hard uraka kurirete na mundu tari wanyu ona mundu we wanyu. Just tell this person ni tole brother yakwa ngioya nguo ciaku ri kana ngioire t-shirt yaku no arakaraga ukamwira atirire mimi ni ndirake no kioya nguo ciakwa rucio ndakoya because he knows ndunakena.
Well, you see, thina wa wendo ni riri na shida ya mapenzi na matters of the heart ni you see the way you are reasoning.
It's not the same the person the other one is reasoning.
So you find such things exist, they are there, they happen each and every day. It's tiate ni magotiga ku happen mari okuona na no magothie na mbere na ku happen.
And that's why you should look for a matured partner.
But anyway, let us jump into our next segment.
All right.
We have some questions here. Toretio ni andu ngurani marenda kuigua opinion.
Okay.
Yes. So you're going to pick one. Usome alafu utuelezee.
Wehoka matinoria ido personal.
Tigata personal.
Toro
hale ciurio ngiorio rigwo riu ri ugucokia
atia. Okay, it is here.
Kai mwathani Jesu
kaka tira kihinguka mtu ya
wihogeri gukahingura uria kwagiriire na mutarataras.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, nyambie kana ni kwambia.
You go first.
Dear Hannah, it's from personal whatever, but let me ask. What does emotional safety in a relationship look like? Emotional safety.
Tell us.
I feel like emotional safety is when there's a surety. Keep reminding me that whatever I feel matters. If I feel sad today, like I'm feeling sad because I want to be sad. There's no one who wakes up in the morning and decide, if I feel sad, make me get to this point of I get better. And then make sure that I'm not in a cage. That I can tell you anything without you judging me. You can tell me anything without you judging me. And I can tell you anything. You'll take it to heart and you'll be like, you are getting to answers to it.
Can I add something to that?
Yes, please.
I also feel like keep on reminding me why you love me.
Exactly.
Why I'm the one that you chose in.
Yeah, exactly. Like you did me a favor by being with me.
And there are men who do that, and women too. Anyway, yangu inasema hivi.
All right.
How do you handle silent treatment? Ikona / emotional shutdown. Well, as someone who has been ghosted before. What I did, like from my personal experience. Juizi ni vitu ziko and they happen,
yeah, they happen, and we're human.
Yeah, so what I did, at first I tried reaching out, and then ukiona bado kuna hiyo silent treatment, you have to make peace with huyu mtu hataki kuongea. So I think it's just you have to nini your state of mind, unaiambia huyu mtu ni kama anataka hivi. You do that. Lili akaigwa even if it's in 10 years. Akaigwa ni akenda ukago kwera ni kigatumiri akirere ni agoka. Definitely they will. They do come back and they offer explanation, all sorts of explanations. So give him space. Hata kama ni 20 years enda uolewe ni shida yake.
Na mimi sometimes I count silent treatment like you've already moved on. That's why you don't want to tell me, but you already moved on. So
I don't want me.
I make peace with my healing. Like, yeah, of course it will hurt, but I'm healing.
This has to happen.
Exactly. So the moment you will come to explain why you decided to ghost me.
On a dokani explanation.
Exactly. On a them to and work explain, I will have taken it as you coming just to tell me that you left. Yes.
And still no at the moment wa tune in kiria ya kuhakilisha kwa you are healing, this and this happened, huwezi, there's nothing you can do to change the situation. Ona gigoka gukwira ati ni kulivaga ndugakona need ya explanation. Actually ona ndo akuhuriria kwire can I explain umwire no, I'm not interested in whatever you have to say.
Hey, okay, Dr. Love. Hey. Kai. Do what? Yo.
Is it a bad one?
Jamani. Ati, is it okay to date someone your friend used to like? No. Anyone my friend has ever dated, ama everyone my friend has ever wanted. Nah.
You're not supposed to.
He's a no-go zone.
Hey.
Nata, you see, if my friend decide that the ex won't be my friend, the ex won't, you know, like the person she used to date, amekuwa ex, and they don't want to talk anymore, and the ex was my friend. The friend becomes my ex too. There's nothing exactly. No.
Mtu wako ni soulmate wako.
I can't. Like someone who has dated, like someone who has needed you. Someone who has dated you, I can date them. I can't. Nah.
Inakaa.
Ni joru, it's a bad picture.
Yikes.
Ukia yuhoro wa ex waku rajiro. No. No.
Tamenya ginya tugithia ate kiria group date.
Giyogoka.
Nakuja na ex wako.
Kaka na ex waku. Mokera naga. Unakumbuka ile time fulani tu. Yo, no. Hell no.
It's hurting. And disrespectful at the same time.
Ona modora like, katika kwa date, liking. Nah.
So yangu inasema, how do you maintain your identity in a relationship?
Okay.
To maintain your identity ni kwa kweriganirwa, right?
Yeah.
No, I think it's all about self-awareness.
And
if you went in a relationship ukimenyaga uri urenda and who you are, trust you me, you're going to maintain your identity as well. Now you won't be manipulated by anyone, you won't be gaslighted by anyone, so kila kitu ita flow tu juu unajijua and you know what is good for you, you know your worth.
Exactly. Ndagakorwo ati wedete sneakers mundu aroka gukwira ati wetwa heels.
Kana ukorwo ati wenda gwikira kiria uiguaga we very comfortable in short dresses, very cute. Very nice. No. Wika uria urenda.
Exactly true.
Mwire ni waku. Mwili ni yako.
Toto tukuohetwo tarĩ kĩrĩ.
Gũkundĩkwo.
Okay. Hey. Ati, what role does physical chemistry play in love? Physical chemistry.
Hiyo ni attraction ya.
Yes, me and you. As in, if we can't match, there's nothing we can do. As in, you will always feel uncomfortable. If mtu hamvutani, you will always feel uncomfortable. Na plus ni ule magoginya kuoma pe modo yo. Right?
Well, daba guthomaga kwa.
Rwemo maku. Makia.
Now, giki kirauga atiriri. Can love survive a long distance? Can love survive long distance in today's world? Can it? Can it? Anyway, as I said, and I'll keep on saying, if they want to, they will.
Yeah,
so
sure.
It can. As long as mtu mwenye una date niye unataka. Aye.
Can love survive? Yes, it can.
It
Communication
is the key,
and knowing what both of you want. Yeah.
Kumenya uria urenda and what you want from that person.
Exactly. And patience.
Yeah.
Patience ya kumenya huo mundu mutigo kwa nake every time.
Ntorekagie mathaa. Time is not on our side.
All right. Hey, ndiona digo kioete ijabire kuya hingurage.
Hena kage.
Yani hena kage kamwe.
Oi mwerekeri ndagika ingi ithano tu.
Ati, how do you know you are ready for a relationship? As long as you feel like you want that, as in wendo nduhithikaga, you know, uhana murimo, wendo nduhithikaga. You always know you know he mundu samana inake ukamenya guy uyu akinikatia unaingia box
naweza mtaka huyu
exactly na he mundu mwambagia kwali ukamenya wewe hata when you ask me I am saying yes
kuri ginya kiria message ungitumirwo ni mundu
umenye aya
ono kimwenda
aya sahaha
togwo ningi so inasema how do you rebuild trust after it's broken?
Well, it's hard.
Very.
There's a saying that says, trust is like virginity. Once broken,
it cannot.
Yes,
yeah, true.
It
and
cannot
then,
be recovered.
No, ungeheterio ni mundu moru, ni uremagwo ni gwika.
In as much as you'll forgive, you'll always create your space.
And then, you see how you were before, the nini was broken, the trust. Haiwezi rudi kukua hivyo tena. Haiwezi. You might still be friends with that person ama that nini whatever partner but ni ule iguaga
you're not still mutigishoka hali mweri hey ati is being vulnerable a strength or a weakness? Is being vulnerable a strength or a weakness? I feel it's like it's a strength. It's a strength. Then you have to come where you can create boundaries. Yes, like you have to know if you step on me on here. Yeah, I think it's a strength.
Yangu inasema, can two people grow together without growing apart? Can two people grow together without growing apart? Mutigokora.
There's always a point. There's always a point you nini.
And that is
depends
what
with how you're working on it.
And actually, nikio urona in today's world, the area today. Or you are finding that mwabaniririe na mundu from scratch.
Yeah.
And you've been growing together. No hari handu mugukinya aigue riu ti wendaga riu.
Na ni riu sasa kinya hau re ni depend kana uria we work on. And it depends with the it's a two-way traffic.
I think it's all no niguo twauga atiriri, as long as mundu ni aramenya kiria arenda from the other person, you can survive anything.
Yeah.
But you see, agikoru twa grow ni urona tini urendaga ri.
Just go to the person
tini
you
wendaga
want.
from the word go. You just have to settle.
There's something you settled for. Na
Exactly.
There's always love. There's always something people will love about you. Hakuna kuya change na kupenda tu bure hakuna. Hakuna kitu ya bure.
Huwezi penda mtu tu hivyo. Ati niamke tu niamue tu na ai. Nisikia wapi? But anyway. Tukinikiriria tafarira yitu ya umuthi gatha citu nie njitagwo Bill Hanyaguthie. Till next time.
Na niĩ ngetĩka kairĩtu kamathako that sports girl wa Boy wa Njau. God bless ya.